I'm getting this message that I feel is shared for many of us. Ultimately, it comes down to what if there's no judgment day overseeing deity who's going to judge your actions for turning out a certain way? What if you're the one who's the barometer of happiness and evaluation and assessment for your own life? What if you truly do have the freedom to say, this is what I want my life to be, and this is what it's going to become? And as long as, you're doing that in a way that, to the best of your knowledge and ability, does no harm to others, you can have the universe's full support for the actualization of your dreams. Check out that crescent moon. Isn't that a beauty? Because what came up in this one reading, and then with talking to the other person, is there's certain people who've taken actions that one or another of us could easily judge as really poor choices, bad move. But I know the lighting's not super great. But in connecting with those people on a soul level, that's not how they see it. They are fulfilling their own path, their own, I love how I'm keeping that moon in the background, their own soul's desires through what they're doing. And it's a beautiful thing. And it came up for me the second time. The first time, it gave me such a feeling of freedom and expansion in my heart. And the second time it happened, I thought, I just have to tell this to you, because this is too good for us not to be listening to, learning from, and tuning into. Because it's really time for all of us to drop the pretenses, drop the boxes that other people have made for us, the benchmarks and the milestones, all the things that are what other people could say, this is what your life should be, or this is what your life is. And it's time for you really to say, what are my benchmarks? What are my milestones? What do I really want from it all? And some people, they make a bucket list and then they use that to go forth and explore. And other people use the things they don't want and they say, those things are not in my life. Here's how I'm going to take them out of my life. Oh, beautiful moon. I'd love to know in the comments, what do you think you would love to cultivate for you?